In this video, I'll show you how to create a 10-minute mail using Instant Mail. If you need a temporary email address to sign up for a website, receive a verification code, download something, or protect your personal inbox from spam, this is one of the fastest ways to do it. First, open your web browser and go to Instant Mail. Once the website loads, you'll see a temporary email address ready to use. You don't need to create an account, enter personal information, or use your real Gmail address. Now, copy the temporary email address shown on the screen. You can use this email anywhere you need a quick inbox, such as account registration pages, free trials, download forms, newsletters, or websites that require email verification. After copying the email, go to the website where you want to sign up and paste the temporary email address into the email field. Complete the registration or request the verification code as usual. Next, return to Instant Mail and wait for the email to arrive in the temporary inbox. If the website sends a confirmation code, activation link, or verification message, it should appear directly on the page. Open the message, copy the code, or click the verification link if needed. The main benefit of using a 10-minute mail is that you can keep your personal inbox clean. Instead of giving your real email to every website, you can use a temporary address for short-term tasks and avoid unwanted emails later. Keep in mind that temporary emails are best for quick and low-risk use cases. Don't use them for important accounts, banking, business logins, or anything you may need to recover later, because temporary inboxes are not meant for long-term access. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a 10-minute mail using Instant Mail. This is a simple way to receive temporary emails quickly, protect your main inbox, and avoid unnecessary spam online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tech tutorials, online tools, and step-by-step guides.